We're at the Punani Power Yoga Retreat. Hi! I'm going to be teaching yoga and teaching sexual health education.
I'm gonna delve into trauma and how it affects the body and how we hold on to it and how to release it and become more aware of it.
I'm gonna talk about pleasure and empowerment and joy both after trauma and generally, and how to just make sex extra awesome.
I have such good vibes from both of you, just seeing how it unfolds, the three of us together. Because I think it's gonna get really deep and really intense, but I think that we'll be able to support that and make it a positive experience.
Yes.
I love seeing the walls come down as people get more
yes,
and they feel safer being vulnerable, and just seeing that deep heart connection that comes from that space.
Yeah.
That's what I love about these overnight yoga retreats. You really get to connect in a completely different way with the people.
I'm excited for all of the activities that I have planned around saying no and being really confident in what you want and how to articulate pleasure and desire without feeling like you're criticizing or making someone feel bad or wrong. Make sex juicy and yummy and fabulous, because you deserve it.
Come hither. No, you did the motion.
Hiking in Joshua Tree, because there's something so magical about this place. Every time I come here, I just feel like I'm on another level of connection with the earth and myself.
The climbing on boulders made me appreciate my body for what it can do rather than what it can't.
Just being with a bunch of badass women.
Hi guys. You should wave.
Of all the yoga retreats I've done, this one this year and this one last year, the most amazing women. Like, it's just like the strongest bond.
The yoga, actually. I love yoga so much, and I never get to do it as much as I'd like to because I just don't do it on my own.
And these hands are magic hands.
They are.
Oh my
Courtney
God.
does the best adjustments.
Oh my gosh.
Ever, and then does a little extra. And I'm going to be doing Reiki, which I'm very excited to offer.
That.
The dancing yoga session. It was very intense in ways that I didn't anticipate. And it was incredible.
The booby painting print activity.
We can't tell anyone about that.
No, we can't. It'll be a
Gotta keep it a
surprise.
surprise.
Oh yeah, we should definitely.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Boob painting.
Oh my God, so liberating.
Liberating, yes. I loved finger painting on my boobs.
Yeah.
And then swooshing them.
You started this shit.
Yeah.
And you guys came back.
Oh my gosh.
We did.
Every year.
It had like the same messages and like everything that I remember, like why I came back, but it was still so different.
Coming back, I was like, oh, I knew we were going to do different things. I could tell that you had grown and changed and developed. But like, it was even more than I could have imagined. Like, so it's just incredible. So I'm so excited to keep coming back like year after year to see like the
How it's
changes and the
changed,
differences and like keep learning and growing. Like, it's awesome. No matter where you're at in life, the information, the friendship, the people that you'll meet along the way, the challenges, the environment, and the people that you are surrounded by are life-changing. It is worth it. And yeah, we're not paid to do this. We just loved it that much. So do it.
Laughing so hard that I almost peed my pants.
Did that happen?
It happened with you last night.
Courtney has the best yoga booty.
The best booty.
It's like, I want to do more
best
yoga so that
booty.
my booty looks like that.
Oh, stop it, you.
Don't stop.